Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Use the Discord desktop app and sign in to the account that has managed server or role permissions. Once done, open server settings for the target server and ensure you have a role with necessary permissions. Next, create or select a text channel for party announcements. Make sure channel permissions allow bots or webhooks to post. This first step sets permissions and a channel so subsequent automation and visuals will function correctly. Now you configure visuals and automation. You add a party bot or create a webhook URL, then test posting a sample embed so you know messages display correctly. Once done, upload GIF, short audio clips, and custom emojis. Make sure file sizes fit Discord limits. Then configure the bot or webhook to trigger on your chosen command or schedule using cron-like timing or a manual / command. Make sure embeds reference uploaded assets so the party experience is cohesive and immediate. To finish, trigger the party sequence by running the configured command or firing the webhook. Watch for embed, GIF, and audio playback. If something fails, first check bot permissions and channel rate limits. Discord may block rapid posts. If visuals or audio are missing, confirm asset links and file sizes. If the bot is unresponsive, reauthorize it or reset the webhook token and test again. One key tip: enable developer mode to inspect message objects.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.